Harsh.
Hi,
Hi. How are you, Harsh?
I'm good. I'm good. It's a Monday morning.
Yeah, Monday morning, but you look so bright.
Yeah. So tell me.
So, how are things with you? Lockdown and how are things treating you? There's no shoots off late, but you're doing well. I see that
Ah,
you have a new channel and you're doing well in that.
yeah. So just using time. Um, but it's a good break for us because I was working for the show Kartik Punya for the last 4 months, and
Yeah.
so that doesn't give you a lot of break. Like we work 27 days a month. So initially it was like a good break. Of course, it was necessary, but then yeah, now it's kind of, I was speaking to some of my friends and everybody feels ki now it's been too much. It's been a month and everybody wants to get on with their life, but then let's see when that happens. But I'm using my time.
That's so cool. So,
So what are you?
Harsh,
Yeah.
yeah, tell me.
No.
I was just wondering,
Right.
like, you are an actor, you're a YouTuber. There's so many facets to your personality. So, I understand as an actor, you have a lot of intense work schedules and
Mhm.
extensively you have to travel. Like last time, I know Tanvi was telling me you're in Amritsar, then you're in
Yeah.
Chandigarh,
Yeah.
and then you're in back, and there's so many things that you do. So,
Right.
how do you cope with all this intense work schedules, and how do you do what is how do you keep up yourself with everything?
Yeah. So what I feel is that we live in a time now, like if you compare it to, let's say, your parents' times and yeah, for
Yeah.
last generation. So of course there's more pressure, there's more results, there's more competition in business overall, there are more systems. तो सबके लिए ही आई थिंक ऐसा होगा कि लाइफ नाउ, लाइक पहले 9 to 5 होता था, लोग घर आ जाते थे. there was nothing as this having stress or targets and all that, at least when like my dad was working. But now that's not the case, and because हम चाहे ना चाहे, but kind of money runs the world, like profits and stock
Yeah.
market and everything. So
That's right.
acting में भी वही है, actually the whole pressure, or let's say the job is कि let's shoot the most that we can, because every day costs money, because you have at least 70 people, 100 people coming together to work. And uh, so I I feel not just for an actor, I feel everybody now has like lifestyle. बहुत ही कम jobs होंगी जो stress free होंगी. So for my answer has always been spirituality, and मैंने भी, I also discovered it. I school में तो पढ़ाते नहीं है spirituality. So my mom is
Yeah.
religious, but in my family I didn't have spirituality because like my dad is also workaholic. He's not into spirituality or even religion. So that's where I feel that that's the only hope, or I can say that's the only happiness that kind of stays. Otherwise we go through life with something nice happens, we get happy, something bad happens, then we get stressed, or you get angry, or there's constant, like they say in psychology now, matlab that constantly you're getting triggered, something or the other happens. So just to maintain some balance, I feel like spirituality worked for me, and I see most people. I mean, you're a teacher, you teach art of living courses, so you know better. But that's what I feel in my life.
Yeah, and that is why we've bonded so much over these conversations whenever I've had with you. These have been
Right.
such wonderful conversations whenever, we've spoken about over a cup of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
You remember that
Right.
all
Right.
anything, even when I've come to your place.
Right. Right.
So,
Right.
yeah, so much of commonality that we share together.
Right.
So I
I
was
feel.
wondering,
Mhm. I
hmm?
feel, anyways, people are same. Like
Yeah.
in the broader perspective, we're all same.
Yeah, at broader perspective, we are all the same.
Yeah. It's just probably realization that people hit it later.
Yes.
Hmm.
And that is one major sad fact which I feel is that still there are people who, hold on to their differences. Still there are people who hold on to, something that must have happened long back. But फिर
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
पकड़ के रख-
I think it's kind of
really,
human. I mean, if you just look at it, like you look at any country, any city, any continent, and the basic emotions are the same only, right? Like
ah,
people still have egos and people still react. People still don't like criticism, or people want to take revenge. So, those basic things remain the same. The only thing is, how do you get over it or above it? That's what I feel. Moonlight is saying, Namita ji, you're looking so pretty.
thank you so much, Moonlight.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You were asking something.
Yeah. So I just realized a friend of mine has just joined Surya Tej. So he is also an art of living teacher, and
Oh.
uh, so yeah, coming to art of living
Mm-hmm.
thing,
Mm-hmm.
what was your journey? How did you get into art of living? I'm so curious to know this. I
Yeah.
think we've never spoken about it.
Yeah, मतलब ऐसे कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है पर शायद कभी बात नहीं हुई तो दिस इज
Yeah.
वन ऑफ दीज दोस थिंग्स दैट मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ ना कि यार वो डेस्टिनी होती है तो आई
Yeah.
रिमेम्बर आई हैड एन एक्टर फ्रेंड ओनली and
Yes.
so she was into art of living and everything and once or twice we had spoken so she had said things like तो उसके पहले मैं बता दूं मतलब what was the mindset before that
Yeah.
I had come to Bombay I was acting I was doing few films at that time और बिकॉज मैं ऐसे सेटअप से आया था मतलब माय डैड वाज अ वर्कaholic सो मतलब स्पिरिचुअलिटी या फिर कोई ऐसे पब्लिक सर्विस और ये सब वाज नॉट दैट बिग बिकॉज इन दिल्ली इतना ज्यादा होता नहीं है पब्लिक सर्विस मैं मतलब कंपेयर करूँ तो फ्रॉम बॉम्बे और एनीथिंग everybody matlab lives where they live and they earn money and it's like that but
Yeah.
so what happened was that that friend of mine she said few things which were really मतलब सर के ऊपर से गई मेरे क्योंकि
Oh.
I'll tell you examples so first she said कि अरे अरे कम कम there's a तो जो weekly art of living के कुछ लोग वो करते हैं ना meetups the free ones where the
Oh,
satsang and all
workshops.
that तो she told me come for that come for that I said अरे नहीं यार क्या मैं तो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का भी नहीं हूँ मैं क्या करूंगा तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था वो तो नहीं नहीं बहुत अच्छा होता है गिटार विटार होता है एंड वी सिंग सॉन्ग्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड वाइब एंड ऐसा ऐसा मैंने कहा यार नहीं 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 नहीं, मुझे काम है मुझे ये है वो है तो actually no I had some like it was an audition that I could have given that day or the next day but still I said
Yeah.
so she said this you'll do all your life what is this you have not come on this planet to just work and earn money और वो सब में बात मेरे ऊपर से गई कि क्या बात कर रही है कि you have not come in this year फिर she said कि okay I'll give you a book फिर I think at that time I had asked her saying कि what about astronomy or something like that not very deep into it but I had asked her so she had given me a small booklet वो भी मैंने पूरी नहीं पढ़ी तो I said हाँ ठीक है so then again she rang me up after 2-3 days she said now let's go like अब तो you're free ना अब एक बार just come once you see it for yourself I said चलो ठीक है ये वो so I went to absolutely मुझे पता नहीं था कि मतलब क्या होगा क्या होता है no idea so I went to this house and people were very very warm of course like all art of living people are
Yeah.
and then we sat there or sang some songs and prayed for I think the prayer was for 2 minutes or something I think Guru Puja ही होगी शायद और
Yeah.
and then I really liked it मतलब it was a amazing vibe because लोग जो है they were clapping also and everybody was so nice there was no thing of there was no talk आप क्या करते हो आप क्या हो nothing like that and I was like oh chalo nice um, and then she said that you should do a course and ऐसा and all that and I said चलो ठीक है and then I'd heard of it from somebody or the other, there were good reviews only that they said, "Arey, हाँ, try it. It's yoga and it's breathing." And तो I think then I waited. फिर वो एक दो महीने बाद I got a message saying मेरे जो घर के पास लोखंड वाला only, they said that there's a course, and that's when I went there and I did the course. But for me, if I go back now to answer what changed after the Art of Living course was that पहले because everybody wants to have a good job, do well in life, earn money. जब वो सब आपका गोल रहता है तो वही you only find ways to do that. Like you'll only listen to those things. You'll only कोई आपको लगेगा यही basic मेरा aim है in life, and that is what you listen to, and that is what makes sense to you. But then after doing the Art of Living course, I realized that no, you've come onto this planet, on this earth, not just to, like earn money or be, doctor or some profession and all that. You also have to,
Something.
like emotionally experience it and be nice to people and those things. So that I think was a big change in my head at least, because उससे पहले वो
Very nice.
था नहीं मतलब मेरी लाइफ में कि that's the goal. I always liked spirituality. मतलब जैसे basic, if I give an example that there are people who sometimes like to listen to a Sufi song and the feeling that you get. Let's say आप
Yeah.
गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं, ये आपने कोई कोर्स नहीं किया है, कोई नहीं, but you like it. You like my favorite word, which is it's rohani, and
Ah,
then you feel nice. Um,
yes.
या फिर कोई कभी आपके लिए कोई अच्छा काम करे तो you feel nice and you feel like अरे such a nice person, that. But
You feel grateful.
हाँ, so
So the feel
that is what I felt. But
that's so nice.
you tell me, you must have had, because you're a teacher in Art of Living, you must have had so many people जिनको आपने course कराया, and then did some of them come back or ever must have left a message or met you after some time? What was?
Yeah. I keep taking courses all the time. Even now, I'm taking online courses
Right,
online, the
right,
programs
right,
online.
right.
And even today, like we had a workshop online. So people in the morning, it was already 9 o'clock, and we had to close the course. People
Right.
were not ready to move. They had this so much of
Feel
peace
good.
and so much of gratitude in their minds that they just never wanted to leave that space. I have seen this a lot with a lot of my students who come back and tell me, you taught us that point and you taught us Sudarshan Kriya, you taught us so many things. Now,
Hmm.
when you implement that in my life, my entire productivity has gone up. My work has done well, and everything is, going on really, really smooth for me. So if I look back, I only feel so grateful to give it back to them, give it back to the society that,
Hmm.
and irrespective of the religion, caste, creed, people are the same, like how you said.
Hmm.
Inside out, everybody is the same. So when you talk about such things to them, the main points, it's like implementable in any strata, in any time of the world. So this is
Right.
what I felt. One such incident which I still remember, there was this person who was feeling very agitated at his workplace. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा था कि उसने जो भी
Hmm.
काम किया है उसके बॉस को शायद पसंद नहीं आ रहा है or something like that.
Hmm.
And he was very stressed. तो उनके बॉस ने ही मुझे रेफर करवाया था उनका नाम वगैरह. तो अल्टीमेटली एज अ ठीक है, आई डू दिस ऑल्सो फॉर यू बोल के वो
Hmm.
एंटर हुए थे कोर्स के अंदर. और
Right.
उनकी एनर्जी तभी से पता चल रही थी कि ही इज वेरी एजिटेटेड, ही इज वेरी स्ट्रेस.
Hmm.
But the more he got into after the 6 7 day program, I saw considerable change in him.
Hmm.
And I could see that, he's getting more calmer, he's getting more, happier, his smile is growing bigger. So at the end of the day, at the end of the course, he came back to us telling, it is only because of this workshop, only because of this program that I could see so much of change in me. And my family members and even my boss is feeling that change in me. So I see a lot of such people who keep coming back to us. जैसे तुमने भी शेयर किया था कि
Right.
people who look for a higher purpose, जैसे तुम्हें लगा. It's
Hmm.
not just हम लोग छोटी छोटी चीजों में अटकते नहीं है. We look for a higher purpose. So
Right.
these are the things that actually make us keep going more and more about what
But
You know,
if I ask you this question that a lot of कई लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा है where who have not had, let's say, a spiritual course or experience, or they don't know too much about spirituality because like I said, ना तो स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं ना actually it's something, क्योंकि इससे पैसा तो कमाते नहीं है, तो again that is why people don't give it time, energy, or like they Google it or whatever. So,
right.
so, what do you, if somebody has to ask you, why do you need spirituality? What would you
Why do
say?
you need?
Yeah.
See, for me, spirituality is like way of living. What is exactly spirituality is finding that oneness with everybody. We have so many conflicts going on even otherwise, even within ourselves. So many times हम खुद ही सोचते रहते हैं कि forget कि मुझे हर्ष, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे हर्ष ने ऐसा क्यों बोला, वैसा क्यों बोला, किस तरह से, why did he hit with me, I might go and speak to my friend Tanvi saying all this, but it's like a conflict which is happening with me. Forget those kind of out external conflicts, इन्हीं हम internal conflicts से भी regularly we keep fighting things like, oh my god, I couldn't do this, there's a regret of the past and the worries of the future, wherein how will I plan out for the future and what will I do, what if I had done this in the past. So these are the two conflicts that normally everybody keeps going through, and spirituality is one tool which gives you a freedom from these two. The moment you get that, you're like one with everybody. You're like one within yourself. ठीक है, you're calm, you're peace. So someone when he says कि I don't think I need spirituality, I don't need
Mm.
this, but it cannot be possible that they say no, I don't fight within myself. I don't regret about the past. I don't
Mm.
plan anxious about the future.
Right.
So lot of people have. So just a second. Devarshi Dave is telling, can art of living help us control our ambitions? In fact, art of living can make you much more focused in
Mm.
a better way. I
Right.
think you must have experienced it already because you're into a acting field,
Right.
and I see a lot of actors with a lot of pressure because of this ambition and all that. So can
Mm.
you just tell us something about it?
What I feel is that ambition is a different thing than spirituality. But what actually happens it that जितना आदमी ambitious होता है ना, तो उतने उसके plans होते हैं, उतना उसकी expectation होती है कि बस अब suppose I want to earn 1 crore, तो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी कि मैं इस महीने 5 लाख कमा लूँ ये। सो अब जैसा
Yeah.
हम प्लान करते हैं लाइफ में, हमेशा तो ऐसा होता नहीं, हो सकता है जनवरी में हो गया, फरवरी में हो गया, लेट्स से मार्च में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई, तो देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट एम्बिशियस पर्सन, दैट बीइंग एम्बिशियस ओनली स्टार्ट्स टू ईट यू अप, बिकॉज तुम्हारी एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो फुलफिल नहीं हो रही, और फिर यू फीलिंग बैड, और यू फीलिंग द प्रेशर, और यू सैड, एंड ऑल दोस डिसअपॉइंटमेंट इज क्रीपिंग इन. And I think that is where spirituality can help you deal with every, let's say, your down emotion and everything that is not feeling right, is not feeling good. एंड इफ वो नेगेटिव चीजें सॉर्ट हो जाएंगी, तो फिर तो आप आराम से काम कर सकते हैं ना. तो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट यू मीन बाय व्हेन यू से दैट you can
Wow.
really do well if you are spiritual. So
Wow.
the
So
friendly
well.
the friendly lawyer is saying, thanks Harsh for introducing Art of Living to me. He's a friend. And he says that it really helped him.
That is so nice. I have seen that, the more we start introducing people into this thing, they come back to us saying thank you. And
Yeah.
I've seen that you've introduced many people into Art of Living, especially all your entire friend circle and
Yeah,
everybody.
and it's funny that ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार बोला हो जाएगा, या बेस्ट फ्रेंड है तो भी हो जाएगा. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स मैंने लोगों को बोला कि यार मेडिटेशन है, ट्राई इट. इवन अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हैड एस्थमा, तो उसके लिए तो इट वाज सो गुड. मतलब अगर वो सारी जो नॉलेज है, सारे लेक्चर जो सब भी निकाल दो, या इफ ही डजंट लाइक इट, इट स्टिल इज अमेजिंग, क्योंकि उसको मतलब for 20 minutes he'll be doing breathing exercises. That's very good for him, for जिसको asthma है. But then that also, like destiny, that he पहले मैंने बोला कर, उसने बोला नहीं, फिर उसने बोला हाँ, फिर कोर्स नहीं आया, फिर जब कोर्स आया, मतलब we have one every month, I think that's the average now
Yeah.
in
Month or
areas.
two.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And then we had even I had even paid his fees, And then he woke up that particular day with a very bad running nose. तो फिर that day he couldn't, मतलब वो किस्मत में ही नहीं था. But then उसके
Yeah, yeah.
बाद after I think the next month or the next to next course, that one he did, and then he liked it. But then again, वही बात है कि फिर he's moved and then he forgot about it. But at least the basic stays with him. Somebody is
Yeah,
asking, can art of living be advised to people with anxiety disorders? You're the expert. You
art of
should
living
answer that.
definitely helps. Yeah, art of living definitely helps in reducing anxiety because it makes you stay more in your present moment. Okay?
Hmm.
What happens is when we start worrying about our future, for example, lockdown hai, we all are taking preventions.
Hmm.
But there are a lot of people who still worry, na, what if my immunity goes down, which is not down? What if
Yeah.
I contract this disease, which is not the case? But still, that worry is there in mind. But at that particular time, you're actually losing the present moment,
Right.
which is going on.
Hmm.
Because when you are absolutely fine, you can stay with your family. So, this is the anxiety which people develop. So, art of living, the breathing techniques help you be more and more focused in your present. So that is how they, remove the anxiety. They help you get over the anxiety.
Okay.
And yeah, so the same thing even can be, I see that in and the creative field, especially when it is an actor's field. There's
Hmm.
so much of, conflict which happens. As in, there can be differences. A lot of people have this, क्योंकि मुझे anxiety से याद आया,
Right.
insecurities भी होती हैं कि
Right.
आगे how will I do, whether I'll get a work or not, because it's a
Hmm.
freelance industry. So
Right.
how do you deal with so many creative conflicts at your place? How do you come out of it?
You know, there are two things, right? One is having a job, and then there's another is that you actually like what you do. You know,
Yeah,
it can happen, I think, to anybody, and sometimes because आपके जैसे बॉस ने बोला है कि ये करो, तो for us also it's like, you know, if the director is there or the producer is there or the writer has written a scene, so we try to do that. uh, but what happens is that, you know, sometimes आपको लगता है कि यार ये तो अच्छा नहीं है, इससे better ये हो सकता है. But then of course at that time, तो you do it because you are in a professional constraint, and जैसा कि मतलब कोई बॉस किसी को बोलेगा तो करेगा, तो ऐसे ही of course actor does it. But you know what happens कि कई बार you don't like it, you know, you like I've done films where, you know, you put 1 year of your life, and let's say you liked it at the script level, and when we were shooting it, so you don't like the execution because let's say there's money constraint that the producer is not, या फिर आपने और better सोचा था, अब वो इतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो all that happens. But actually then again, it's, you know, the spirituality is the answer, because there's so many things that you realize कि, you know, कितनी चीज किस्मत पे होती है, you know, it's destined. मतलब if a film is doing well, then at least you know, it has destiny of at least 10, 12 people, you know, like cameraman, actress, actor, even the older
yeah,
actors in it, then producer, वो भी अगर दो तीन हो गए, director, writer. If it does well, there's so many people who will get the benefits of it, or, you know, they'll get a higher pay for the next one, or they'll get an opportunity to make another one. So then you realize ki, you know, what I've realized, that it's not all in my hand, you know. बट आपकी जो इमोशनल स्टेट है, आपकी मेंटल स्टेट है, वो एटलीस्ट यू कैन कीप इन योर हैंड्स, और एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू मेंटेन इट. तो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू. जो चीज आप, यू नो, देयर इज अ कोट दे सेइंग कि मतलब जो चीज आप बदल सकते हो तो उसमें कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बदल दो, और जो नहीं बदल सकते हो उसको फिर एक्सेप्ट कर लो. तो ट्राई टू फॉलो दैट.
सही कहा.
Devshri Dave is asking, is art of living an amalgamation of yoga also?
Yeah, yoga and breathing technique together. Hello,
Nice.
sir. I loved your show and acting. Guneet Kaur is saying that.
Hmm. Yeah.
So, um, so how do you make up to the work? I mean, to the relationships with so much of work around.
Yeah, actually finding time is the toughest because uh, you know what happens is that um, अब ऐसा हो गया ना, like I told you, there's no 9 to 5. There is no like sen per se, in the sense that sometimes what happens, the stress of work you also get in your actual life, or you actually thinking about it, or we to get very less work. Also time goes in, let's say अगर आप 12 घंटा भी काम कर रहे हैं, 1 घंटा ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तो that's 14 hours. And then if you do something for your personal health, or stuff like that, then almost the whole time is gone. So I think finding time is probably at least for me, because if you're working 27 days, then I'm not getting the 8 Saturday Sunday offs in a month that people get. So for me it's about finding time, which is a challenge. Like, so, like, let's say whenever you get some time, I try to call my mother, or do an activity, or something, like, we don't really go out too much, me and Tanvi, but still finding stuff to do, something or the other. Is it, probably watching something, or I don't know, like going to the supermarket or something like that. Just find some activity to do. Otherwise, I think the biggest maintenance of relationship is that, what, your own emotional state, and your own how you react to different things, and how people feel about it, and it's like of that.
So, how do you stay positive in life? Harsh, this is from the friendly lawyer.
Ah, how do I say positive? I think a lot of it is kind of born with, because like they say na ki mantra, whatever you chant has an energy, and because my name is Harsh, which means actually joy in Hindi, so I think
Yeah.
it rubs on from there. But I think for anybody, if अगर general answer बोलेंगे of happiness, I don't know. I think one is to celebrate the little victories also. That's what I feel. Because if you're so driven, let's say, somebody has ambition, na, ki if I just keep one thing, saying like this is the final goal of life, and it can be anything, can be money, one position or something, और अगर उसमें पहुंचने में लग गए, मतलब 2-3 साल, एंड बाय द टाइम आप वहां पहुंचे, यू फील लाइक ये तो मैं डिजर्व ही करता हूँ, अब और अच्छा करूंगा, और समथिंग, मतलब लोग तारीफ करते हैं, तो यू फील गुड, एंड यू लाइक, हाँ ठीक है, तो दिस इज नाइस, अरे मैं तो इससे भी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. देन अगेन, it's a mountain that never finishes. So I think that I don't do. I think that is the, if somebody, if that I can call like a little whatever trick, is that if
Okay.
you're not too attached to one particular outcome or goal in life, like they say the journey is important, then you'll also look at small things happening, like, and 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 feeling good about it.
So, yeah, regarding feeling good, fitness is so important right now for all of
Yeah.
us. And
Mm,
I remember taking advice from you on intermittent fasting, and I tried
right,
it also, which actually
right,
worked
right,
for
right.
me.
Yeah.
So what else do you suggest for people to do, other than for their fitness
You know,
levels?
what actually happens is there is so much talk, at least, on social media and all that, about uh, let's say looking a certain way, or being fit, or that's what people presume. मतलब आप किसी से मिलो, तो वो जो है, if you're thin or something, then they'll say, if it's for a girl, they'll say, अरे now we've become fit. Or if you meet a guy, who has like muscles popping, they'll say, ah, now you're fit. But and there's so much of this thing of pushing, like, motivation जो रोज जिम जाए वो ऐसा, or like that's the perfect way to be. um but I look at it very differently. I look at it saying that over the years, we are, in this species of Homo sapiens, we are there on this planet since 2 lakh years, and all
Yeah.
those years agriculture is just 12,000 years old. So it's like only 6% of our time on this planet is when we have had agriculture. Otherwise, so we were hunter and gatherers only. So basically, either you were running behind an animal or eating some fruits or just running from one place to another. And and now there are studies and everything that has proven that even if you do a full mental job, it's you'll think better, and there are more brain connections, more neurotic connections, better neurotic connections when you are active, right?
Yeah.
So even like Steve Jobs used to have some of his meetings while walking, because it made him think easier. In life also, so many times, what happens is that, let's say somebody's boss calls or something, we get up, or sometimes in life also we like to walk. Let's say अगर आप कहीं ऐसी जगह हैं, बहुत खाली जगह है, तो you'll naturally walk and talk. So that's what I feel. I mean, I'm not saying this कि मुझे तो कोई कोर्स नहीं बेचना, कोई वर्कआउट वो नहीं करना. I'm nothing of that sort. But the reality is, if you like it or not to work out, but being active helps you even think better or be smarter. Let's say that. And then of course it helps you sleep better, and there are so many unlimited advantages to it. So then I know it's lockdown, but you try and find something. I also, like sometimes I'm busy with my YouTube channel or uploading a video. Then I don't do it every day, but every second day or something, I'm doing, some push-ups or ab crunches or Surya Namaskar. So that is what I feel. It's something that you can't do away with. It's just, I feel like now it's just the habit that people like to just be. Or agar aap like if you have a very lazy lifestyle, like that you're always on the sofa or something like that, then I feel after a month or two the way you walk changes and you don't feel energetic, and that is anyways not really worth it. Your motivation also was really bad. Somebody is
Someone
asking,
was
please tell me how to get in contact with people of Art of Living.
We'll let you know. Devashi, the way I think he has asked this. So we'll do one thing. I'll send you a flyer, and maybe you can tag me, and they can get
Okay.
in touch with me.
Right,
Okay.
right. Yeah. Otherwise,
And
they can even, for their own area. अच्छा, अभी online courses तो सारी जगह ही हैं. Like,
अभी तो online चल रहा है, so anybody can.
do it from
Yeah.
any
So
area. Yeah.
any.
हमारे टाइम
So they can.
एरिया के टीचर्स फाइंड करने होते थे that where they are.
हाँ. तब तो लॉकडाउन नहीं था ना.
Right. But now Art of Living is in 155 countries, so that way so it's
हाँ.
super easy to find it.
Super easy to find them.
Yeah.
Yes. And there are at least 20, 30 ashrams all across the world. Like we have ashrams even in one ashram in China also, in
Oh,
US, in Canada.
I heard
So
something in Iran or
nice.
something also. They're there in Muslim countries
No,
also now.
Muslim countries में we
Dubai is there,
Dubai में we don't have an ashram.
but you
It's a
have food.
yoga center that Art of Living runs.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So thank you who sent this flower for me. It was Shruti. Thank no Sunita. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Something that you want to tell it to this generation of people, whomever you come across. Some kind of a message that you would always want to share. Like you would always want to say one line if you had to share with everybody. What would it be?
I
Maybe like
think,
a message.
yeah.
How
I
do I
think
put it in a cliche of the youth?
Yeah, I think it's, more than a message. It's like, I would like to call it a warning. And why I say it, I'm not being negative, but it's just that it's that important. Which is that, like I said, we live in a time which is, matlab, aaj tak, this is the most competitive time. This is the time which, has, of course, the population is increased and jobs are less, and there's more and more that people are demanding, out of every role, be it like, you come from a corporate world, or, like, I can even talk about the freelancing business. Um, so it's just that, now it's even more, और भी ज़्यादा, जितना ही स्ट्रेस है उतना ही ट्रिगर है, उतना ही ज़्यादा चांसेस है that, of emotional turmoil, or things that you won't like, or you'll get stressed. And in that time, it's so much more important to, keep your mental stability. And if you can do it by, you know, uh, art of living or yoga, or different people have different these things, like some people even like to listen to music and feel calm, they'll listen to ghazals or something, and whatever helps. But then to take out time and to prioritize your mental health is I think so important, because even if you look at any numbers all over the world, if you look at the number of suicides that has gone up, if you look at in terms of just crazy crimes also, like that has gone up. And then you realize that it's almost like you have to save yourself, you have to save your mental state now. And that is what I feel, that prioritize that, because until unless you feel good and your emotions are fine, there's no chance that you're gonna treat people well, or that it's gonna come out in some way or the other. So that's one thing. I'm not saying that I'm the greatest or I know it, but the only bit is that know that, have an intention that this is what you're going to try. You're going to try to
Yeah.
control all your negative emotions. So
So
that's
like
what I feel. Other,
we're all imperfect people, but are going on a journey to be perfection. This is what
yeah,
it is.
yeah,
And that is why you started this channel called No Chinta.
yeah. It's so funny that I was thinking of making the logo, and then I didn't even. Usually, I take a day or two to think about something, some name. Sometimes it is for a script or something like that. But this one just came to me. I said it should be called like No Chinta, like straight on solution based, and that is it. Oh, somebody's saying today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Sonali.
Happy
We have
birthday,
a teacher.
Sonali.
We have a teacher here. She can give you blessings.
Lots of blessings, lots of love, and lots of blessings.
Yeah.
Wow. It was such a nice conversation with you, Harsh. You can also ask
Yes,
me
I think.
questions. I
I
think
think.
I've been the only one asking you questions.
All right. I think you also have work now. It's Monday. You're working.
Yes, yes.
All right. So,
So, yeah,
anybody who wants to ask questions about art of living or everything, you just need to message Namita Bora, and
yeah.
I'll put
We'll
this
also
live.
share a flyer with you guys.
Yeah, sure. Somebody's asking, can I have motivational books name again, please? Um, should I tell?
Motivational book.
I have one book that I like. It's spiritual, and so
Yeah, tell me.
Sweet Dhruvi. It's called Laws of the Spirit World, and it's there on Amazon. It's a green color book, Laws of the Spirit World, of the
There's
spiritual
also
world.
one Celebrating Silence from Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. It's also a very good book.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like,
also.
totally no idea where you're supposed to go. You just open that book and you get your answers. It's a lot
Right.
good.
Yeah. Hi, Hardeep. All right, then.
So,
This was what
yeah.
can I say? This is one of our spiritual conversations, and now we have put it out so that some more people realize why
But
spirituality is important.
I thoroughly enjoy talking to you about all these conversations.
Yeah,
Maybe in
yeah,
future we'll have more such conversations
yeah.
with
We should.
some more. Okay. So bye, Harsh. Thank you
All right.
so much. Thank you so much again.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.